Jude Mark S. Pineda, cum laude.
Ay, may hawak ako.
Jude Mark S. Pineda. Gianpaolo M. Cervelas.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and for today's vlog. Hello! This is it! This is the day that the Lord has made. Ito na yung pinapangarap ko sa buhay na at last, gagraduate ng aming anak. Sa hirap at ginawa ay makakapagpatapos na rin kami ng isang engineer. Sa tulong ng mga tao gaya ng mga eskwelahan nila, tita niya, and Lani Cayetano Scholarship, maraming salamat. Kung hindi sa inyo, hindi siya makakatapos sa kanyang kurso na engineer. And right now, we are heading to Soler. We are on our way to Soler. Sa Soler guys, gaganapin ang kanyang graduation with Latin honor. Proud parents! Kasama ko ang aking family. So, this is my husband, my kids, Jude Ralph, Janea Bell, and of course, the graduate. Ayan, nasa unahan. So, papunta na kami sa event. Punta na kami sa Soler. Nandito na kami guys sa Soler Theater. Kasama ko ang aking family. This is the day. Maingay. Ayan. Hiwalay pala sa hotel. Dito kami sa Theater. Soler Theater. Iba yung hotel. Kompleto kami guys. First time ko dito sa Soler. It's my first time. Daddy, pakibukas! Shh! Pakibukas! Shh! 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 Pakibukas! Pakibukas! Pool! Ayan, ayaw akong pagbuksan. Ayan, ang dami ng tao. So this is it. So this is my family. Ito si Kuya. Kuya.
Pahawak na. Shooting ko na. May tama yan ang sir.
Ito si Daddy. Ito si Kuya. Ayan si Belle. Belle. Ito yung mga graduates. Malamig pala.
Tama yan. Personal lang.
Daddy, hawakan mo nga dito. Dito, hindi ganyan. Masisira yan. Ayusin ko na. Ayusin natin yung hood niya. Magpicture ka, anak. Yung pin niya.
Ayaw.
Hindi pa engineering na.
Ayusin natin yung hood ni Kuya. Ayan. Suotin na. Maraming graduates. Maraming kainan pala dito, guys. So, nandito kami sa Solar Chatter. Ayan yung mga graduates. The graduates, guys. Hello, everyone. So, nandito tayo sa loob ng Solar Chatter. And it's my first time. Marami dito kainan. O, tara na. Nahihiya din ako. Saan kayang CR? Maraming graduates. Lahat ng engineering. Eh, ba't wala pa si Rap-Rap? Ikot natin. So, doon tayo galing. And then dito, CR tayo. Hawakan mo nga ito, nasi-CR ako. May tissue ka dati? Baka may tissue dito. May mga ano pala dito. Boutique. May Samsonite. Itong ganda. May Lacoste. Dami kong hawak. May Gucci. May Longchamp. May flower shop din pala. May Rimowa. May Gucci. May Givenchy. Rap Pahawakan mo anak, nangalay na ako. Saan ka galing?
CR po.
Ang tagal naman ako nga nag-CR na. Ang ganda ng ano, ganda ng Givenchy yung mga bag. Givenchy.
Punta na kayo.
May casino doon, oh. Casino. So, saan tayo?
Parents ko, pwede na po tayo pumasok. First come, first serve po. So po,
Ay, first come, first serve pala. Tara na. Fourth floor daw.
Kami yung second floor.
Fourth floor kami.
Dito kayo. Hindi ko ba nakikita?
So, ito yung Solar Grand Ballroom. Pasok na tayo. So, nakapasok na tayo dito sa ballroom, Solar Ballroom. Ganito siya, guys. Carpeted. So, very elegant yung carpet nila. So, punta na tayo dun kasi first come, first serve. Ito yung kapaligiran, guys.
Marami po.
So, papasok na tayo dito sa So, this is it.
Nasa kapila.
Ito siya. Ang ganda naman ng mga lights. So, ito yung liquid ng ballroom. Yan, papasok na yung mga tao. Nakita mo? Hello? Mayroon na dito. Nagdidilim. Parents din ba dito?
Tawag ba ito?
Area 0 po tayo.
Malawak pala tong events.
Sige yan, ano mo na lang siya kuya.
Hinahanap pa natin yung upuan. Pineda! Pineda! May pangalan. Rojas. Pineda. PR. Sir, pa-assist naman Pineda.
Ano po?
Jude Mark Pineda. Mayroon daw pangalan. Master Civil Engineering.
Pineda.
Jude Mark Pineda. Master saka BS.
BM.
BS saka Master.
Jude po.
Jude Mark Pineda.
Row 4 po tayo.
Hindi, lalabas.
Okay.
Dito po. Pineda po.
Katawag
Pang 9.
Excuse po.
Ay, sorry.
Pineda. And this is it. Pineda. Pineda. Dito na tayo upo, guys. Waiting kami guys sa mga graduates. Daddy, kuhanan mo sila. Ay, pwede pa tumayo. Doon pala. Ay, ang gulo naman. Dalawa pala. Dalawa pala. Doon pala ang iba. Oh. Bali dalawa guys, side by side. Mayroon doon. Tapos mayroon din doon. Ayan. Mayroon din doon. Hindi ko na makita yung anak ko. Daddy, yun o. Tignan mo doon o sa screen. Si Makmak, picturean mo. Ayun na screen doon na malaki. Yan. Tignan mo dyan kung nandyan. Mayroon pa doon o. Ayun, paikot, side by side. Mayroon sa side dyan, mayroon sa kaliwa, mayroon din sa kanan. So, hindi ko na makita yung anak ko. Kasi tignan mo sa screen. Si Makmak. Tapos picturean mo. Marami sila guys eh. Pwede Pwede rin tignan na lang dun sa screen. Puno. Kasi itong ballroom nila isang ano lang, hindi pa hagdan.
The honor graduates.
Huwag niyo po i-block. Huwag niyo po i-block.
Daddy, tignan mo si Makmak. Picturean mo. Picturean mo si Makmak. Ang dami nila kasi. Nasaan si Makmak? Picturean mo. Bakit? Ngayon ang anak ko. Ayan na guys, nakita ko na yung anak ko. Masaya na ako.
Is as remarkable as his professional record. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Physics, magna cum laude, from the University of San Carlos, and early in his career served as a lecturer in physics at the University of the Philippines. He later completed the Advanced Management Program at Harvard Business School. Even today, he continues his studies, undertaking doctoral studies in two institutions, a Doctor of Business Administration at the Asian Institute of Management, and a PhD in Organizational Development at the Southeast Asia Interdisciplinary Development Institute, Graduate School of OD and Planning. His leadership experience is deeply global. He spent over 2 decades with Citi as a managing director, holding senior roles in treasury and global markets across multiple Asian markets. He also served as president and CEO of Philippine National Bank and as chairman of Citi Savings Bank. He further contributed to the region's banking community as former chairman of the Asian Bankers Association. Beyond executive leadership, he is widely recognized for developing leaders and advancing professional practice. He mentors bankers and professionals, many of whom have taken on senior roles and reaches a broad audience with over 500,000 views monthly on LinkedIn. He is also an accomplished author of Never Stand Alone and The Invent and Outperform, and his writing received the Goldfield 2025 Award, a testament to the clarity and impact of his leadership message. Today, he continues his service to education and leadership development as the advisory to the Dean and Professor of Practice under the Enrique T. Yuchenko School of Business, Mapua University. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our commencement speaker, Mr. Eugene S. Acevedo.
Mahaba-haba to.
Dr. Georgie Maestre Campo, University President, University officers, fellow deans and faculty members, and best of all, the graduates, their proud parents and families, good afternoon. Or as we say in my hometown, mayong hapon Pilipinas. Graduates, since you come from the best engineering school in the country, I want to leave you with lessons drawn from mathematics, physics, and engineering. These principles do more than explain machines and materials. They illuminate our journeys, choices, and character. Consider this your last lecture before you graduate. Lesson 1, lifelong learning, the principle of metal plasticity. In material science, plasticity is the capacity of a metal to be reshaped without breaking. When hammered, it does not shatter. And in the process, it becomes stronger. This is work hardening. Lifelong learning is our intellectual form of plasticity. Every challenging idea, every moment that unsettles us, every difficult truth, these are the hammer strikes shaping who we become. If we welcome learning, we strengthen precisely where we once felt weak. When I was 50 years old,
A. Ocampo, third place.
Top-notcher. Board top-notcher. Ha? Pagdidilim. Mga board top-notcher.
Examination for civil engineers, Engineer Justin S. Ahmed, third place. Licensure examination for sanitary engineers.
Graduate na siya.
Cecilia Francesca M. de la Cruz, ninth place.
Eto nakakotoga to eh. Hindi makita.
Engineer Ira Marie P. Iba, 8th place. Engineer Alexandra C. Evangelista, 6th place. The university would also like to present a plaque of recognition to the school who gave honor to Mapua University by ranking as one of the top performing schools in the licensure examinations. Mapua University presents this plaque of recognition to the School of Civil, Environmental, and Geological Engineering for achieving the distinction of being ranked second among the top performing schools in the sanitary engineering licensure examination administered by the Professional Regulation Commission on January 2026. This award is conferred in grateful recognition of the school's commitment to academic excellence, professional competence, and service to society, as demonstrated in its outstanding performance in the licensure examination. Awarded during the 29th commencement exercises of Mapua University, held this 26th day of February 2026 at Soler Grand Ballroom, Asiana Avenue, Entertainment City, Tambo, Parañaque City. Signed, Doji S. Maestre-Campo, President and Chief Executive Officer. Every quarter, a panel of faculty members is convened by the Office of Directed Research for Innovation and Value Enhancement to select the best thesis from a list of entries submitted by the various schools. The winners for first term 25-26 are from the School of Architecture, Industrial Design, and the Built Environment, thesis titled, Design of an Emergency Go-Back for Water-Related Disasters in the Philippines. The awardee is June Rafael M. Bolido, Industrial Design, Advisor Ms. Ria Ann S. Legaspi. From the School of Chemical, Biological, and Materials Engineering and Sciences, Biological Engineering Program, thesis titled, Conserve Blood Transcriptome Patterns Highlight MicroRNA and Half Genes Drivers of Neurodegeneration. Awardee is Jaime Lu O. de la Serna, Advisor, Dr. Manuel L. Tayo. Program thesis titled, Suppressing Extracellular Polymer Substances Driven Fouling in Microalgae Harvesting through Membrane Surface Engineering. Awardee, Dream Deep Chris D. Advisor, Dr. Christopher Ray S. Paminturon. Awardee is Chief Bon G. Ogoy, Advisor, Dr. Ruth R. Aquino. Environmental and Geological Engineering, Civil Engineering Program thesis titled, Spatial Dynamics and Infrastructure Complexity, a Canonical Correlation Analysis of Urban Sprawl in Metro Manila's Major Cities. Awardees are Michael Jr. L. Malagran, Kyla Denise T. Rojas, Stanley R. Velasco, Advisor Dr. Dante L. Silva. Construction Engineering Management Program thesis titled Assessment of Compressive Strength of Concrete with Dried Coconut Leaves as Partial Displacement for Sand. Awardees are John Jedediah E. Miranda and Reynald Q. Bernarte. Advisor Dr. Dante L. Silva. Of dipole method to enhance heat detection of landfill liner. Awardees are April May Enero, Ira May M. Mascarina, Ella Nicole M. Sarmiento. Advisor is Dr. Delia P. Senor.
Palitan mo.
Mapalisip ko ba? Makita ko ano.
Lalabas ka? Kunin mo yung pagkain dito. O ako hindi na. Tubig mo, magdala ka isang tubig. Asan sinarap-rap?
Dear graduates, soar higher. Go forward and face the world with courage, confidence, and humility. Continue to seek knowledge and understanding to fight for the truth. Build a better life for you and your loved ones. Embrace challenges and persist in the face of setbacks. Learn from your mistakes. Find inspiration in the success of others. Use your core values and ethical principles to guide all your choices. Be honest and always keep your word. Follow the rules and laws. Be fair, kind, and respectful to others. Contribute to society, protect the environment. Be a good friend, honor your family. Love your alma mater, your country, humanity, and God.
Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates who have successfully completed all the requirements prescribed for their respective degrees and who have been recommended by the faculty with the approval of the Academic Council to the Board of Trustees of Mapua University for graduation.
By the virtue of the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Mapua University as President, I hereby confer upon you your respective baccalaureate and graduate degrees. Congratulations.
Graduates of the School of Architecture, Industrial Design, and the Built Environment.
Vince Ira S. Mac. Aliza B. Orevida. Bachelor of Science in Material Science and Engineering, Gabriel Ali E. Avercos. Queen Gabrielle C. Messina. Cliff Bon G. Ogoy. Leo Jan P. Ordonia.
Graduates of the School of Civil, Environmental, and Geological Engineering.
Baka naman magagawin
Eliza
na pa kayo sa
J.
astin.
Hindi.
Oremus. Norian P.
Kabila
Padilla
ka dado.
II.
Kabila.
Maria Eliza P. Pagalanan. Kyle Francis C. Pagdamanan.
Alin sa Manila.
Erica Emmanuel S. Pantaleon. Nicole Ann B. Ramirez. Cyril P. Ricafort. Julius Simon S. Pico Hermoso. Von Johann C. E. Roque. Vincent S. Simon. Angelica Lilian A. Sanchez. Henry I. Tan Jr. Matthew O. Tradicio. Andrew Brian S. Thailand. Lee Matthew L. Yobe. Lex Anthony A. Kemsey.
Di ba yun ka?
Pia Abigail P. Torres. Angelo A. Uwala.
Ayan, nakasarapot na sila. May nagbablog na nakita.
Gian Carlo Miguel P. Valenton. Erica Marie J. Cañete, Academic Achievement Award. Mark Caliver R. Sesma, Academic Achievement Award.
Wala ka ng cellphone?
Hope Carlo F. Bernas, Academic Achievement Award.
Dito ka. Ate, dito ka.
Ay, habang naglaro.
Angela Keisha F. Badikela, Academic Achievement Award.
Ilan siya dati?
Cian Dominic V. Angeles, Academic Achievement Award. Donald Jasper Alcantara, Academic Achievement Award.
Pa-picture niyo.
Michael Junior L. Malekdan, Academic Achievement Award.
Ano po madam? Ginawa ko.
Julia Mariela L. Ilaw, Academic Achievement Award. Samantha Catherine L. Cheng, Academic Achievement Award.
Pinupulmon niya ako.
China B. Ramos, Academic Achievement Award.
Isa pa. Daddy.
J.M. Joaquin V. Elustre, Academic Achievement Award.
Pag yun, Mark Pineda, kuhanan mo.
Nasa likod pala kayo. Ako muna.
Akin na makuhanan ko.
Moses Miguel S. Arches, Academic Achievement Award. Margaret Vivian P. Suyer, Academic Achievement Award.
Ay, yung regalo ko sa'yo nandun.
Saan ka lang? Wala na. Hindi ko na tayo.
Picturean kita dyan na.
Sa likod niya kayo.
Akin na yung camera mo.
Mami, huwag niya masirain yung flow. Ano ba?
John Angelo P. Agon, Dean's Award.
Ginawa kong ginawa pa lang.
Bilisan niyo, ma. Bilisan niyo pagkuha.
John Paulo M. Sorvelas, Dean's Award.
Video nak, video.
Adam John Felix C. Miranda, Dean's Award.
Huwag mong takpan, Mac.
Jude Mark S. Pineda, cum laude.
Ay, may hawak ako.
Loris Ayala C. Di Mayuga, cum laude.
Nakikita po kayo, lahat po kayo. Nakikita po kayo. Kabila mo, sama po.
Jestron Paul S. Rojas, cum laude. Trixie Melody Rochelle S. Dean,
Minsan ayaw din ng
John Paulo J. Escalante, Pierre Louis P. Estrellado, Lance Adric S. Palaria, John Stephen N. Fernandez, R.D. Bowen G. Fuentes, John Mark C. Garrido. Angelica L. Henover. Sheila Rafaela N. Gregorio. Mark Ryan E. Hernandez.
Kekeran po.
John Leonard E.
Kekeran.
Onota. Elvin Daniel C. Jose. Angela Gillian P. Hunye. Warren James S. Lesignes. Sean Ray Janel S. Lineses.
Master's degree
Isabella
guys.
Luis E. Baez. Ali Jane A. Banda. Lance Gillian O. Biton.
Master's degree in civil engineering. Ito na lang.
Enrico Jr. A. Calma. Bennett Ray V. Senito. Jennifer R. Ocon. Amor G. Ruidigar. Carla May E. Sumico. Joey L. Tabalno. Rafael Jose J. Tamse. Kiara Marinela N. Torre. Cecile Grace R. Valiente. Timothy Joshua F. Vargas. Asap F. Vega.
Laway mo.
Candidates for the degree of Master of Engineering. Fergie F. Montalia. Marco U. Figueroa. Richard E. Rivera.
Papatulan ka ng 50.
Romeo E. Gonzalez. Tracy A. P. Bayo.
Kahit Starbucks na.
Candidates for the degree of Master of Arts in Multimedia Arts. Angeli R. Bebe. April B. Mangana. Jude Mark S. Pineda. Gianpaolo N. Ceruelas. John Lemar N. Tira. Candidates for the Master of Science in Computer Engineering.
The Executive Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Lilibet Sabino. Honorable members of the Board of Trustees, esteemed university administrators, distinguished faculty members, proud parents, family members, friends, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. It is an honor and a challenge to deliver this speech in just a few minutes. After all, how do you fit years of memories, reflections, and learnings in just a short amount of time? And I think the answer here is you don't. It feels far too short for everything we have lived through. But maybe that's the point. In the end, what matters most is not the number of stories encapsulated into these moments, but the feeling we carry with us today as we look back on the journey we traveled. Our transcripts do not narrate the nights we stayed up, the birthdays we spent taking exams, and the celebrations we missed at home to meet our Blackboard deadlines. And while we were the ones who faced these trials, we never do them alone. To our parents who made unseen sacrifices to carry us on their shoulders, your support sustained us in ways words fail to describe. We owe this moment to you. Let's give our parents a round of applause. To our professors who had built us for the world, we strive to follow in your footsteps. To our friends and the family we found within our alma mater's walls, the quiet moments we shared shaped us into who we are today. With that, I would like to thank the community that shaped me these past 3 years. To the Department of Liberal Arts, thank you for showing me that our strength lies in the courage to pave our own paths, even in roads less traveled. By now, you might be wondering what my program is. I have taken Bachelor of Science in Technical Communication, and the most common response I receive whenever I say that is, Techcom. Ano yun? Interestingly, depending on who you ask, the answer will vary. Technical communication in itself is the art of tailoring complex ideas into audience-centric material.
The reception.
Ano na sila? Exit na.
On behalf of the Board of Trustees, the officers, and faculty members of Mapua, congratulations, dear graduates! As you step forward today, carry the lessons of the past and encourage the future. The world is waiting. Go out and make it yours. Viva Mapua, guys!